Okay, for our ongoing class, we're working on Daniel Ward's beautiful instrumental arpeggio meditation. And we're just focusing on the very last chord, which is a C chord. And Dan just instructs us as a guide to just strum down across all four strings as an ending. What comes before it are two measures of an F minor. So I fancied up a little bit. And this is what I've come up with. I'm finger picking. And then adding a little vibrato. Ooh, with that baby finger. So let me show you what I'm doing. Finger picking position, which we're in for this song, so nothing new here. Let me move in a little bit closer here. I am picking the G, C, and E strings. It's the first part of it. And then the second part of it is a C. Let me make sure I have this right. Yes. So, G string, C string, E. Now, I'm playing a C string, but on the E string, I am playing a G note. And then the A string with the C. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that last one, I'm doing a roll and arpeggio with the finger picking. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's do it again. You can also just strum down that very last note. Watch this. I kind of go to the finger picking because that way I can really amplify that last note, the C note. I can really pop it. And if I want, I can do a little vibrato. Now look at my left hand. What I'm doing back here. It's a little easier with the baby finger, with the ring finger, but oh well. You notice how I'm going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth to create a vibrato. Remember, the ukulele is not a resonant instrument, so we do whatever we can to get a note to ring just a little bit longer. So you can kind of hear that. So let's try this one more time. That's an option, darlings. You don't have to do that. You can come up with your own. But let me tell you, this is a trick that I use in a lot of songs, a lot of ballads that are in the key of C. I will end it this way. Okay.